Hey guys, today we are going to be making a really amazing, mouth-watering rustic chicken parm. Chicken parm and I have this love affair. If you find me out at a new restaurant, I am judging your restaurant by that one specific dish. All right, so first up, what we're going to do is we are going to create the perfect sauce. You're going to need about 20 minutes to do this before anything else. In a saucepan, you are going to combine 1/4 cup of olive oil, 2 cups of tomato sauce, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic, 1/2 teaspoon oregano, salt and pepper to taste. Before making the breading, you are going to preheat your oven, the actual electric or gas oven, okay, to 400 degrees. Let's dish on the coating. These are the ingredients you are gonna need for this. 2½ ounces of pork rinds, 1/4 cup flaxseed meal, 1/2 cup grated powdered Parmesan cheese, none of that shredded stuff, 1 teaspoon oregano, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon pepper, 1/4 teaspoon red pepper flakes, 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder, and 2 teaspoons paprika. You're gonna grind up all of those ingredients and spices in the food processor. In a separate container of the coating, you will need 1 egg and 1½ tablespoons of chicken broth. Whisk that up because you are going to be dredging the chicken cutlets in this in a minute. Take 3 chicken breasts and you're going to slice them and then pound them out. And when I say you're pounding the chicken, you're actually pounding the chicken here, not anywhere else. Now we're going to go ahead and bread all the chicken that you just cut and pounded out. You are going to dredge your chicken in the egg mixture. Then you're going to put it in the pork rind coating mixture. After you're done going front and back with those, you are going to place those chicken pieces aside on a piece of foil or on a pan to get ready to fry. Grab your frying pan. You're going to heat that up with about 1/4 cup of oil because now we're going to fry the chicken. 4 minutes on each side to make it nice and golden brown. Don't worry about the doneness because we're gonna be putting those in the oven. Now that you guys are done frying, you're going to place all of those chicken breasts in your casserole dish. You're going to take your sauce and give it a little stir. You're gonna put that over the chicken breast and you're gonna top it with the mozzarella. You're going to shove that in the oven for about 10 minutes until everything is nice, juicy, and melted. All right, super excited. The buzzer just went off. After 10 minutes, you're gonna take everything right out of the oven and you're gonna start serving it up. You could choose whatever side that you would like, but to keep it keto, go ahead and add 2 cups of leafy greens, maybe some broccoli, some asparagus. Just stay away from that pasta or it's not gonna be keeping it keto. And now, okay, but seriously, serve this up to your family. They're gonna absolutely love it. Hopefully you made enough to make it to leftovers because I don't know about you, but in our house, we fight over this. This recipe rivals any high-end restaurant, and if you have an old, dead Italian grandmother, she is gonna be crawling from the grave to get it. If you loved this video, you want this recipe, because you should, head on over to my site. Go ahead and click subscribe because you will definitely want to come back.